welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking! So today, let's make Oshiruko. Ta-da! This is Oshiruko. Oshiruko is a mochi in a wrapping paste soup. And it's very traditional soup sweets for Japanese people. This is not Oshiruko, but we enjoy wrapping paste for many things. Sometimes we just make a mochi and pour or dip with wrapping paste. But today let's try soup sweets. Okay, are you ready to make? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Mochi. So today I want to introduce two types of mochi. This is a pre-made mochi you can buy at supermarkets or convenience stores anywhere in Japan. And it's a cube size. Can you see that? It's cube size. And you can grill or you can use microwave to soften. So that's the plan A. And for plan B, let's make mochi from scratch with using shiratamako. It's a glutinous rice flour. And you can also buy from supermarkets or convenience stores. There's a small chunk, glutinous rice chunks in the bag. And let's try two different types of mochi today. So at first, I want to put this in a grill. In Japan, we have a small grill between the gas. So I just put mochi in a grill and heat about 5 minutes. With using this glutinous rice flour, let's make mochi from scratch. I put other sweet recipe videos on my YouTube channel, so I'm sure you already tried. But for you who have never tried mochi from scratch, let's do this. Let's open the package. So let's add glutinous rice flour. Then please pour same amount of water. Now with using hand, we knead the dough. It's like a Play-Doh. Due to the temperature or humidity of the room, it's hard to measure exactly. So in this case, please check if the dough becomes same texture as your earlobe. Yeah, it's fun, but in Japan, we check the mochi texture same as earlobe. And I think today it's a little bit too slimy, so I add a bit more glutinous rice flour. And it's getting same texture as the earlobe. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. And we prepare water to boil mochi. It becomes this texture. Okay, now gather like that. And let's make a small balls. So I make 4 balls. Like that. By the way, mochi became brown color. And since this is this is grilled, but the other side is still hard, so I turn over and heat another few minutes. Okay, now let's make a wrapping paste soup. So this is a wrapping paste, homemade wrapping paste I made another day. It's very fresh. And I put the recipe around here. So please check another video to make this wrapping paste. So it says 200 grams. So I will add the same amount of water. Then we slowly stir with low heat. I use a wooden spatula to stir slowly. And then mochi is done. Became really fuzzy mochi. Can you see that? It's so hot actually. So I put this here. So now the water is boiled. So I reshape the mochi and quickly put in a hot water. Yeah, and then the water is boiling. And continue stirring so that the wrapping paste becomes smooth. Looks good. So today I combine the same amount of water and whipping paste. But if you want more thick flavor, you can just add 2 in 1. And there are 2 kinds of whipping paste. The one is with chunk, and the other one is no chunk. It's so smooth. I made a whipping paste with chunk since I like it. But if you like smooth, please choose smooth whipping paste, which is called koshigан. And I use tsubuan today, which has a chunk. And now the water is fully boiled. And when you see the mochi floating, please wait another 1 minute. And after that, it's time to take out mochi. Since I see the whipping paste and the water mixed, so I turn medium-high heat to quickly warm the soup. Okay. Then the mochi is already done, so I prepare cold water. Then let's take out mochi. Ooh, mochi became very fatty too. Then I turn off the heat. Then wrapping paste soup is also boiling now, so I turn off the heat. Okay, 2 kinds of mochi is done, and wrapping paste soup is also done. So let's do decoration. Okay. So I just add mochi in 1 bowl. And I take out the cold mochi. Okay, then let's add wrapping paste soup. Two kinds of Oshiruko is done. Can you see that? So Oshiruko is done, so let's try tasting. So I usually don't make both, so I'm so happy today. Soft mochi first. Yeah, so this is the mochi that I made from scratch. Itadakimasu. The mochi is so soft, and the mochi is very well mixed with the wrapping paste soup. And I use chopsticks today, but you can also use a spoon. So if you use spoon, you can enjoy mochi and wrapping paste soup at the same time. Okay, let's try the other one. Yeah, so this is the one that I grilled, the pre-made mochi. Itadakimasu. It's so big. And if you grill mochi, you can taste grilled flavor from the surface of the mochi. So it's a little bit different from the other one. And it's still chewy. But it has a grilled flavor in the mouth the whole time. And I'm sure you will be full pretty much. And for pre-made mochi, it's hard to eat with using only spoon. So in this case, I recommend to use chopsticks. Then mochi becomes long. I like grilled mochi rather than plain mochi. because I can enjoy more flavor, grilled flavor. If you can find pre-made mochi, you can make homemade, like today, and you can grill. So in this case, please grill this mochi. Yeah. You can do it on a fry pan until it becomes brown color. And if you add oil on a fry pan, it's more crispy. For the oil, I recommend canola oil, since it has no strong smell. You can use also sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, rapeseed oil, and we say vegetable oil. So please try it out. So how was the Oshiruko recipe today? So I hope you enjoy Japanese soup sweets recipe. I'm sure many of you have never tried this recipe, or even you may not know this soup sweets recipes exist in Japan. So I hope you enjoy discovering something new today. If you have a question, please always ask me. And please message me from down below, or Instagram, or Facebook page. Oh, by the way, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Here, maybe. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.